So good. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make 돼지갈비. This was my favorite barbecue growing up, and it is still one of my favorite until now. Even though the term 돼지갈비 means specifically pork ribs, you don't always have to use a pork rib in order to make this dish. What matters most is that you get the sauce right. I'm going to be using the pork shoulder chop today. Okay, so this is everything you need. I have about 600 grams of pork shoulder chop, half an onion, a quarter Korean pear, some garlic. This is a grapefruit homemade marmalade that I made. Here's some soy sauce, sugar, and of course some water, a cooking pot, and a blender. If you don't have a blender like this, then you can just chop your onions with your knife. So first we have to work on our sauce. Okay, so I'm using my measuring cup that looks like this, about a half a cup of soy sauce. And a half a cup of sugar. And 1.5 cups of water. And some grapefruit marmalade. And 1 tablespoon of garlic. And start boiling. While we're bringing our sauce to a boil, we are going to handle our onion and Korean pear. You can absolutely skip this part, but for me, since I have some Korean pears in my fridge, I decided to throw in some. Chop everything in small pieces. So we just let it sit there until it cools down.
A few minutes later.
I'm gonna throw in my pear as well. Blend, blend, blend. Whew. So the sauce that we boiled, this has to be cooled down completely. Otherwise, imagine like you throw in your raw meat in there. What would happen? The meat would be cooked, right? So what I'm gonna do is bring this pot to the balcony area so it cools down way more fast. So I put my pot outside. It's cooling down out there. Everything's perfect. We have our blended onions, pear, we have our meat. We still have to wait like an hour or two for the sauce to cool down. So just wait. Guys, it's super cold tonight in Korea. And guess what? It's only been 30 minutes and our sauce is already completely cooled down. You guys ready? I know that I didn't include this in my ingredients, but for the extra I want to put a little bit of ginger. So maybe that much? Why don't we start putting them together into our Tupperware? Okay, I'm done. I recommend marinating for a day, but today, for the sake of the video, I think I'll wait a couple of hours and then do some test cooking. I'll be back. Okay. I'm gonna go get some rice. So good. Okay, so that's everything I have for you today. I really hope you like my 돼지갈비 recipe. If you like my video, then please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel if you're looking for more tasty, awesome Korean recipes. I promise I'll keep coming back with more. And until next time, goodbye. Okay guys, I'm cooking 돼지갈비 for the second time. It's been a day since I made it, so we should be marinated really good. 맛깔나게 잘라야겠는데? Okay guys, so it's almost finished. You can see the sauce has all dried up and the meat is all coated with the sauce. Make sure to grab a piece like this. And you can see that it's slightly brownish. That's when you want to stop cooking.